We are inside RG Kaur Hospital, and this is the Platinum Jubilee building that houses the principal's office. Lots of sisters and doctors have gathered here and are sitting here indefinitely till the principal comes out and assures them of their safety and security. The principal had told them that they're going to come out and give a statement in an hour, but it has been more than an hour, and they are getting agitated because they are concerned about their well being after the heinous attacks that happened at the hands of a violent mob last night. So here we can see that there's nurses unity, sort of a, a collective of the nurses and sisters who are here, who have decided, who will keep staying here, demonstrating till complete safety is assured to them. And they have also been joined by people from the alumni, and everybody is waiting for the principal to come out. And right now we can see, if we just come closer, we will be able to see that this gate has two locks on it. One lock is inside and the other lock is outside, because the authorities locked the gate from outside, inside. The protesters locked it from outside, to basically showcase that what are they really afraid of. They are actually afraid of the improper security measures that led to such upheaval last night, and they are actually feeling very insulted that the authorities are locking them outside, whereas they are the ones who need protection. So in response to such an act, they have also locked the gate from outside, so they will also not let them come out without their consent, without them actually getting the assurance that they deliberately need, desperately need right now. And they're saying that they want to get back to their work and provide their emergency services and all the services that is required of the patients. But they can only do that, they can only get back to work and do their duty if the principal and the authorities are going to ensure complete safety.